What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, my name is yeukai.loreen and welcome. Today I wanted to show you guys some products that I got from Clicks. These are new skincare products that I'm adding into my skincare routine. As I'm sure you guys are aware, I'm trying out new skincare products, trying to find what works for me and what doesn't work for me. So far it's been a very interesting journey, let me say, and I have discovered so many interesting things about skincare and skincare products, and I just thought maybe it will help someone, maybe it will save someone some money. I would advise you, honey, to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So today I wanted to talk about how I save money with skincare. I also wanted to talk about trying out sunscreen for the first time. Guys, can you really imagine? All my life I have never never used sunscreen, and this is actually my first time using sunscreen. I only discovered the importance of using sunscreen from you guys commenting in my videos. So if you've got any thoughts, let me know in the comment section below, and if you've got any video ideas that you would like me to do, don't be shy to let me know in the comment section. I had never used sunscreen before, but thankfully some of you guys recommended that to me, and also in my research I actually found out a very interesting point, which is that not using sunscreen causes 99% of premature aging. So, okay, the percentage might be a bit exaggerated, but anywho, my point is if you do not use sunscreen, then it's almost as if it's eliminating all the other good things that you are trying to do with your skincare. And if you are using active ingredients like chemical exfoliants and things like that, then you are actually doing more harm to your skin than good. So an interesting and fun fact is it is very important to use sunscreen and to include sunscreen in your skincare routine. So I wanted to show you guys the products that I got, including the sunscreen that I'm going to be trying out, and how I'm going to incorporate that into my skincare routine and why specifically I chose those products. So if you are interested in hearing my story and saving yourself some money because I've done thorough research, baba, then be free to keep watching. But also guys, a disclaimer, I am not a skincare guru, not an esthetician, not a dermatologist, not a nothing. I am just a person, regular person out in the streets trying to improve my own skincare game, and hopefully you guys can benefit from my experience. So anything that I'm sharing is just according to my experience. Don't take my word for it. Feel free to go do your own research, find out for yourself, honey, and do what works for you, okay? And also with skincare, Kazini, unfortunately there is no one size fits all. Everyone has to go their own journey. Some products which might be hyped up to say, oh, this works, or some ingredients that might be hyped up might not necessarily work for all of us, but it is what it is. Alright, let's get into it. So guys, an interesting thing that I've discovered in my journey of trying out new skincare products is how expensive skincare can be. Like, if you really want skincare with good quality ingredients, or the nicer looking aesthetic skincare, it is quite on the pricier side. So to save my money, what I've decided is I do as much research as I possibly can. I watch product reviews, I find out from other people who might have tried a product and see, okay, is this product really worth me going out and trying it out for myself? If you are watching this video, then at least you are on the right track to knowing how you can save money when you're buying your skincare. So first things first, I only commit to it when at least it's on sale or there is a deal attached to it, honey boo boo, because paying full price for some of these products is just like committing suicide. One time hanging yourself off the side of a tree. So if you are working with a budget, of course, if you're well off and you're living the soft life, living the soft life, then it doesn't matter. But if you do have a budget to work with and you do want to create a skincare routine that is maintainable in the long run, then it's important to really try research the product, try find out which stores have got specials on the same product. I personally go onto websites, so I go onto the Clicks website, Discount website, Beauty on Tap, like for example websites like that sell skincare, and just check at the time that you want a particular product, is there a website that is having a sale on that particular product, or is there a website that is having maybe like a deal or something. I know some people say, hey, those deals are useless, but to me it actually helps me, because if I'm going to buy this same product in 3 months and I need 3 of them, I might as well buy 3 and then pay for 2. So that's a good way of saving money, researching your products and like really finding out the best time to buy them, especially when they are on sale. Another helpful thing that I've realized is researching the products and the brands before literally going into the store. So like, okay, I want a good sunscreen, so at least now do some research, watch some reviews, find out the ingredients that you are looking for, the ingredients that work best for your skin type, because certain products don't work for every skin type. For example, I myself have got oily skin, and a product that works for oily skin might not necessarily work for someone with dry skin. It might be too harsh for someone with dry skin. Or also considering the skin concerns that you have. For example, if you're currently having sensitive skin, if you're having a breakout or anything of that sort, then you really need to find out, okay, this product that I'm thinking of buying, will it work for me? Like, will it work for the particular skin concern that I have? Why am I committing to this product? What ingredients are in it that are making me think, maybe I should buy this particular product? And I'm going to explain that with the products that I bought and why I got those particular products to address skin concerns that I have. I've been having a small and a breakout that's been, you know, having a party on my face, but actually now it's much better. At the beginning of the week, oh betuna, I had these very angry and painful pimples on my face that were giving me a run for my money, but at least now they are really improving. And honestly, I really don't know where they came from. I think there is a face mask that I tried that probably didn't go well with me, and I had had it for the longest time, but when I checked the expiry date, it looked like it was still fine. So I just thought, okay, let me do some self-care, something, honey. It didn't turn out like I expected. It ended in tears, baba. So now that we are done talking about how we can save money and researching products before going into the store, I wanted to show you the products that I got. I got products from Clicks and from my Honey Boo Boo discount. So let's start with Clicks. Oh my word, I am so excited, guys, for the stuff that I got from Clicks. I have been wanting this product for the longest time. This is the Sorbet Hydrating Body Scrub. I got the one which has got tangerine, calendula, shea butter, and vitamin C. It's definitely the vitamin C that sold me, because the moment I started using vitamin C on my face, honey, yo, I feel like it just changed my skincare game altogether. So I was now thinking, yo, the moment I introduce vitamin C into my body care, it's just going to be levels, baba. So I'm very excited to try this. I also want like a vitamin C containing body product, but I'm very excited to try this body scrub. I have realized that exfoliating is very good if you want your skin to glow, for your skin to be even. Like, for example, for myself, working at the restaurant, I did injure myself. Like, I burnt myself on the grid here and on here, you see. So I'm really trying to get rid of these marks, and as you can see, like, I unfortunately don't have like a before picture, but they have definitely come a long way and they are fading. And initially I actually was using a scrub that I would make for myself. I'm always saying I'm going to film it for you guys. I'm probably going to do a vlog or something and show you guys that scrub, but now since I'm leveling up, honey, hey, I don't know, maybe it's gonna be a while until you see that scrub, but it definitely works. So yeah, I bought this Sorbet scrub. It was, I think, 75 rand, and then I had 25 rand worth of points on my card. Hey, so I just swiped my Clicks rewards card, and so I ended up getting this for a discounted price. Let me just quickly check how much it ended up being. It was actually 75 rand, yes, and then I had 27 rand worth of points on my card, and so I ended up paying 48 rand for the scrub. So I'm very excited to try it out. Then we also got some toothpaste, but that's like regular toothpaste that we use at home. I actually like using the whitening toothpaste, but long story short, guys, my husband couldn't understand why I wanted expensive toothpaste when there was toothpaste for 18 rand. So I didn't win in that regard, but I know I'm going to go back and get the one that I want. Now my friend is going to have a heart attack when she sees that I bought my friend was on my case like, Sibo, the last time that I saw her, she was like, yeah, girl, you must try Portia M. Yeah, Portia M is the black. Oh, I've been using it, my skin is now so. And I was just like, girl, get out of my face with that. I don't want to try Portia M because Portia M is damn expensive. Guys, ziyadura ezi zinto bethuna ziyabiza. No man, but I just said, okay, since my friend is like on my case about it, let me just try Portia M. But okay, like I told you guys, research your products before buying. So I decided, okay, I'm going to first research them and find out, do I really need this product? The one ingredient that really impressed me about this product is that it does have omega-3, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which are unsaturated fatty acids. Now, if you do not know about those unsaturated fatty acids, in the skincare community, they are actually referred to as vitamin F as a whole, and apparently vitamin F is the plug. So now I understand why people are always giving raving reviews about Portia M, because it contains those essential fatty acids and they are not in a lot of skincare. I unfortunately did not quite understand the ingredient breakdown, because ideally you would want the proportion of your unsaturated fatty acids to be much higher than your proportion of saturated fatty acids. The unsaturated fatty acids, which is your vitamin F, your omega fatty acids, help with hyperpigmentation, they help with hydration, glowing skin, cell turnover. They are like the holy grail of skincare. Like if you want to take your skincare and make it labels, to just make it, you need to have omega fatty acids in your skincare. So that is why I was very excited to try them out. I did notice the Clicks range also claims to have like the unsaturated fatty acids in the products, but like I'm telling you guys, I got vexed when I got into the store. Like I couldn't understand the ingredients. Aqua, petrolatum, paraffinium, liquidium, glycerol, stearic acid, hexadecano, one tan. Then I was like, oh, just tell me saturated fatty acid, unsaturated fatty acid, then I can decide. But it didn't happen. So I just ended up saying, okay, I'll just trust the product and, you know, try it out and tell you guys how it works out for me. But if you are interested in knowing more about why you should add vitamin F into your skincare, the omega-6 and omega-3 and omega-9, they are essential because the body cannot create them for itself. So you need them from an external source. So you can get them through your diet, like eating fish, eating your flaxseed oils, eating flaxseed, chia seeds, etc. But you can also use them topically, like put them directly onto your face to get the benefits that they bring. They help with fighting hyperpigmentation and they help with reducing transepidermal water loss. So if you've got dry skin and you're suffering from like really dry flaky skin or things like that, and even people with oily skin do need that to maintain the hydration within your skin so that you do not lose too much water. So those fatty acids really help with that. They help you to get a glowing and clean texture. They hydrate the skin, and if you are someone who exfoliates your skin, they will help increase your cell turnover. That's how they'll keep your skin glowing. So for myself, I want to use this Portia M moisturizer or the day cream. I did not commit to the night cream as well because I think they were a bit too much for my budget. It was 62 rand, and then I decided if I get the night cream as well, that's another 62 rand. I just started, nah, I don't need the night cream for now. I might as well just commit to the day cream and then hopefully get the benefits. So I'll just use it during the day and during the evening. And of course, moisturizer is the last step in your skincare before you move on to your sunscreen. Okay, actually I forgot, guys, I wanted to show you, I also got the toner. I was torn between the Clicks toner and this toner because the Clicks toner claimed to have like the omega-3, omega-6, but then I just thought, nah, it's not really necessary. When I've been researching like, do you really need toner, it's always been this debatable concept of whether you really need toner or not. So I just decided, okay, I'm going to get the Portia M toner since I'm using the Portia M moisturizer anyways. And I liked that it's got very few ingredients. It doesn't have many ingredients, maybe like 10 ingredients. So I thought, okay, at least the fewer the ingredients. And the reason why I chose this over the Clicks one is because at least this one doesn't have fragrance. Like I realized that if you use fragrance in your skincare, it might be a reason why your skin gets irritated. So the simpler your skincare, the simpler the ingredients, and the more targeted your ingredients are towards a particular skin concern, the more you are more likely to gain the benefits of using a particular skincare product versus using products with unnecessary ingredients, because fragrance in skincare is very much unnecessary. And when I used this toner, it smells like nothing, guys, which is a good thing. So you want to minimize fragrance in your skincare and go with as little fragrance as possible. This does have a bit of a scent, but I don't think it's literal fragrance. Like, I'm sure I stood like 1 hour in that shop reading ingredients to make sure there is no fragrance in my skincare, because I don't want unnecessary ingredients that might cause my skin to break out. Because usually when it comes to fragrance, they also just refer to it as parfum. They don't even tell you what is in it. It could be 100 million other ingredients that are in it. So I just decided, nah, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Now, moving on to the next skincare product that I got, which is sunscreen. I'm so excited, guys, because I've never used sunscreen. My whole life, I've never used sunscreen. And I actually believe that black people don't need sunscreen, you know. It was only after I did some research and discovered, oh, actually we do need sunscreen so that we can allow our skincare to work on the inside and protect our skin on the outside from harmful UV rays that can cause cancer and premature aging. So I'm trying the Eucerin Oil Control SPF 50. I have tried this. I really saw good reviews about this sunscreen. I am also going to try it for myself and review it for myself. I did put it on today and I feel like I'm good, Moose. It's not making my skin white. It's got no white cast or anything, but I think that's only because it is actually a chemical sunscreen. And yeah, you know, there are two types of sunscreen. There's a physical sunscreen and the chemical sunscreen. This is a chemical sunscreen. Usually the white cast you get with the mineral sunscreens. I also decided to get the one to use for my whole body, and fortunately when I was buying this sunscreen, I did my research and Leaks was selling the full price, which was I think 259 rand each. But then when I went to Discam, I discovered that they had a 3 for 2 on Eucerin products. So I decided, okay, I'm going to buy my sunscreen. At least I know I'm going to need at least 2 of these, which is the one for my face. So I decided, okay, at least I'll need 2. So I got 2 of the one for my face and then 1 for my body. And the nice thing about sunscreen is on your body, you just need to put it on the exposed areas, and it's very expensive and you need to use large amounts of it. So I just thought to myself, okay, at least I'm getting this one for free. Technically, somehow it's free, and then at least I'll be covered for at least 2 months with these. So these I think were about 259 rand each at Discount. Where did I put my receipts? The sunscreen was actually going for 259 rand 95 each, and then I got 2 of the oil control ones for my face and then 1 for my body. So that means I ended up spending 259 plus 259, which is 520, and then I got the full body one for a discounted price. I'm still looking for more affordable but effective sunscreen, so if you guys have got any recommendations, don't be shy to let me know in the comment section. That would really go a long way in helping me out, guys, and anyways helping someone else out, because we are out to glow, look our best in 2021, slay and assassinate like ninja assassinators, but you know, look good and be happy in this. It's delicious. Oh, so yes, so I'm adding the Portia M product to my skincare routine, but already currently I'm adding also hyaluronic acid, which I'm using for hydration, glowing skin, way better. I'm also using my lactic acid toner as a chemical exfoliant. I'm trying to reduce use of physical exfoliants. If you are interested in knowing about that, let me know in the comment section and I'll get more into it in depth. And then at night I'm using my vitamin C serum. So like, I was using those products and I felt I'm satisfied with those, but I just thought I need like a finishing something to like just top it off and like make it everything marvelous. So now when I'm doing my skincare, I just cleanse in the shower, I tone. I've got 3 different toners that I'm using. I've got a salicylic acid toner that I use and that I do not mix with other active ingredients when I'm toning. I've got the lactic acid toner for exfoliation, and then I also have this now Portia M toner. So when I'm using my active ingredients, I use the Portia M toner, but when I'm not using my active ingredients, then I use my regular other toners. If you are interested in me going further in depth with that, let me know in the comment section, guys, and I'll be more than happy to do that. Let me know other videos that you'd like to see on my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you subscribing and watching my videos. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Mwah! Bye.